ICF developed a dispute resolution training simulation for the Secretary of the Air Force General Counsel Deputy, the division of the Air Force General Counsel's Office, or GCD, responsible for providing negotiation, mediation, and training to mediators serving in Air Force disputes. The objectives of the training were to enhance the existing curriculum to make it more engaging, to reduce overall training costs by making it web-enabled, and to provide hands-on training using experiential techniques with scenario-driven simulation technology. ICF used the analysis, design, development, implementation, evaluation, and quality, or ADIQ, instructional model as the centerpiece of this development. Our spiral ADIQ model infuses traditional instructional design components with quality testing and assurance at each step. Our goal was to provide GCD with the means to train dispute resolution methods that were realistic, engaging, and validated by both subject matter experts and instructional designers. The Air Force General Counsel simulation was developed with a subject matter expert and an instructional designer as the main focal point for the development. ICF developed a unique set of tools that allowed the mediators to script scenarios using a what you see is what you get, or WYSIWYG, design approach. The tool shown is an example of a script development tool that created simple player-to-avatar interactions as well as complex multi-party avatar interactions. Once developed, the script could be run in real time and tested without the need of a programmer, thereby speeding the testing and evaluation process for the designers. Quite unique to interactive development, ICF developed a simulation that advanced the state of emotion-based avatar interaction well beyond traditional simulations. Each avatar has his own mental model that could affect the result of the simulation. The dynamics developed for the simulation were based on several years' research in cognitive modeling designed by ICF and recently published in several journals. In order to guide learners through the simulation, ICF developed the Virtual Mentor. The Virtual Mentor is an avatar within the simulation that is designed to provide real-time information, instruction, and feedback to the learner as they progress through the simulation. Knowledge checks are also a vital part of the simulation and help the student assess their performance. In the simulation, knowledge checks appear in two forms: pre-assessments in order to baseline existing knowledge, and post-assessments to determine training effectiveness. Within each scenario, the simulation collects the number of correct and incorrect uses of a dispute resolution technique based on the character and type of response that would warrant the use of each specific technique. The simulation also logs other metrics, such as critical decision points. ICF conformed to Air Force 508 regulations using color coding, text, audio, and feedback standardization within the Unity 3D platform. At the time, this was the first 508-based simulation developed for the Air Force and helped pave the way for 508 simulation standards. Additional features of the Air Force General Counsel simulation include 508 regulation compliance, PC and iOS versions, scenarios driven by learning objectives, and realistic and emotive virtual world avatars.